This is the Osmo 6 carrying case. Take it out. Actually, it has a really good feel to it. It's like a rubbery, has this carrying handle up here, has a couple of rings probably for a sling, probably an adjustable sling. Let's open this puppy up. All right, so there's the carrying strap that goes on the outside, and okay, like that. And then it actually has two spots. So one for the light, and then one for the one that comes with it. And of course, boom, right there. So that is it. That's the shot right there. That's the money shot. Everything, all your accessories for the Osmos right in the carrying case. And then it has, of course, this mesh area here for your wires. So for that, some of the extra bumpers you can put in there. The other USB-C cord, and then you can throw your Osmo 6 microfiber bag in the carrying case, like so. And boom, we'll shut it up, and then shut her down, and everything fits perfect in here. And I really like the feel of this carrying case. It's a rubber, it sticks, so it's not going to slide off. It's not a mesh that will just slide off. This is Mark from Adventure Dad, and I'll see you in the next video.